Hey guys, so hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you this very special vegetables noodles recipe. If you're interested, please continue watching. For the list of ingredients, I have this brand of noodles called pepper soup Indomie. Over here is the seasoning that comes with the Indomie, and here is the noodles after parboiling and running some cool water over it. Here I have some green vegetables. This particular vegetables is called green amaranth or greens. Okay, I just went ahead to pick the vegetables, slice and wash the vegetables. You can use any type of vegetables you like, maybe spinach or kale or ugu. Here I have fresh tomatoes and I have chopped onions. Over here I have some fried eggs. Here is our vegetable oil for frying. I have some salt. Lastly, I have fried plantains. Now to a heated pot, add some oil. When the oil heats up, add your freshly chopped pepper, onions and your fresh tomatoes. Stir everything together for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, add some of the Indomie seasonings. Stir everything together and let it continue frying for more 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, stir it again, then add in your parboiled noodles and mix everything together. While parboiling your noodles, make sure you parboil for just between 1 to 2 minutes, then transfer it to a sieve and run some cool water over it. That way it won't stick together while trying to stir it at this point. At this point, I added the other seasonings and I mixed everything together. Note that I did not add seasoning while parboiling the noodles. I only added water and I threw in the noodles. After about 1 to 2 minutes, I sieved it out in a colander and ran some cool water over it. Okay, so next thing is to add your fried eggs and then mix everything together. Now, and after mixing the noodles with the fried eggs, lastly add in your vegetables and mix everything together. You may decide to add more or less, okay, but just add the vegetables at this point and mix it together. And after about 1 minute of mixing it, just turn off your heat so you don't overcook your vegetables. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are so many ways to make noodles. Okay, this is just one of them, and I hope you try out this recipe. You're going to like it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've not done so yet, and also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Also turn on your bell notification, that is the bell sign near the subscribe button, so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye bye.